Teacher Shelby here with a quick video for you to show you how to practice English by yourself. So no teacher, no classroom. I have some tips with technology and without, if you don't have technology, to help you get better at speaking English. Just a few minutes every day, it can make a big difference. Let's go. Let's start with if you want to use your phone or the internet, using technology to better your speaking skills in English. I have 4 tips for you. Number 1, record yourself speaking. Every day, record just 1 minute of yourself talking about your day. For example, today I worked. I cooked rice. I'm tired. Then listen to your voice, and can you hear mistakes or errors? This will help you notice any mistakes and help you improve your pronunciation and your confidence. So record yourself on your phone, the voice record app. Number 2 is listen and repeat. So don't just listen to podcasts, YouTube, songs, and audiobooks. Choose whatever you like, but pause it, pause the video, or pause the song, pause the podcast, and repeat out loud. This improves your pronunciation and your listening skills. Number 3 is talk to your phone. Like ask Siri or ask Google questions in English, like, what's the weather today? If your phone understands you, that's a good sign. Your pronunciation is clear. It's good. So talk to your phone. And number 4 is use apps, of course, like Duolingo or HelloTalk or even AI. I love to use ChatGPT or Google Gemini, right? These are great for practicing words, practicing conversations when you're alone, you don't have a real person to talk to. Now, what if you don't have internet or a smartphone, or you don't want to use technology? You don't have AI in the country where you live. Here are some ideas to better your English without technology. No technology needed. I have 5 ideas for you. The first one is keep a notebook. Every day, write a few sentences, maybe 3 sentences in English about your day. For example, I woke up early. I cleaned my house. I cooked dinner. This helps you practice grammar and vocabulary. And read the sentences out loud to practice pronunciation. Number 2, talk to yourself. It sounds crazy, but as you do things around your house, if you're washing dishes, describe what you're doing. Right now, I am washing dishes. I am walking to the store. I am getting ready for work. Talking out loud, it makes English sound and feel more natural, and you can have more confidence. Number 3, sing songs you know. If you know a song in English, even just the chorus, sing it again and again and again. The songs help with pronunciation and rhythm in English. Number 4, practice conversations in your head, in your mind. Imagine you're ordering food or you're meeting a new friend and practice the questions and the answers in your mind, or even better, out loud by yourself, even if no one is there. Number 5 is read out loud. Read English books, magazines, even labels on your food. Reading out loud, it's like training your mouth. It's exercise for your mouth and your brain to make your pronunciation so much better. Here is an easy routine you can do every day, just 15 minutes to make your English better all by yourself. 5 minutes of listening. Listen to a song. Listen to a YouTube video. 5 minutes. 5 minutes of speaking. Speak out loud to yourself or with AI or with a friend, of course. But if you're alone, just do 5 minutes of speaking out loud, repeating after a video, something to practice pronunciation. And then 5 minutes of writing. Write those sentences in your notebook. You can do it. That's it. If you do this every day, 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, and 5 minutes of writing, your English will grow so fast. Remember, you don't need perfect tools, more technology. You don't need to spend more money. You need just time. Take the time, and you need to practice. Even a little English every day, it will make a big difference. So, which of these tips do you want to try first? Tell me in the comments. I would love to know. Just like this video is not perfect, I'm not in my office. I don't have my microphone. There's background noise. I'm actually in Georgia visiting my family. I flew from Utah all the way to Georgia to visit my family for the long holiday weekend. It's Labor Day here in the US. And this video is not perfect. I don't have a quiet environment. I don't have my microphone, but I'm going to make it anyway. I'm going to practice my Spanish anyway. I'm going to meet the goals I have in life. So no excuses. Practice your English 5-10 minutes every day, and it will help you so much. Don't forget, like, subscribe, check out my other videos here, a few other videos from the last few weeks, and keep practicing here with me on YouTube. I'll see you next time. Bye.